We are the children you reject and disregard. These aching cries come from the bottom of our hearts. You can't stone us now with your own flesh and blood. And we don't disappear just because your eyes are shut. Now tell me, love lost like a bullet's path, tear through the cavity of my chest. Lights out, 'cause the fuse has blown. The stair castles crumble slowly, we watch them fall. The crown slips from heads unworthy as we gain control. This is the family that we crossed or never had. This is a war that was lost the day it began. 'Cause it's the race we run, but it keeps us at the start. And it's a song I sung from the bottom of my heart. That's how we read you like a polygraph. Not one single bone in your back. Own up to how you let us down. The stair castles crumble slowly, we watch them fall. The crown slips from heads unworthy as we gain control. Except for you and me, love, everyone's the same. We know, we know, we know, we know. But if to live we have to be numb, I'd rather know the pain. I'd rather know, I'd rather know. This happens almost never, but it happened once to me, and this will never be the same. The ends we seem together. I'm not after fame and fortune, I'm after you. When I've served my time, I swear I will come back for you.